everyone. So just a quick video to show you how the hair turned out. So I basically, like you saw in the previous video, I wore a wig cap. Just did like a doo-doo plait, just like little twist in my hair, and then I crocheted the wig cap onto my hair using the extension. So as you can see, I've missed out all the front because I just want to give my edges some rest, but I've crocheted it tight, not too tight though, but onto my scalp, leaving my edges out, as you can see. But I think I like this method because my hands were hurting, so I couldn't be bothered to do my cane rows and then do my crochet. But I thought, let me try that method and see how it goes, and it really works perfectly. So what I did, when I got to the parting, this bit, I just cut out the wig cap around, crocheted on, and I've left this area so that, you know, it looks a bit more natural. So it might not be something that I would do for clients, I don't think, I'm not sure. Probably will, probably won't, but I like it. For now, this is holding me well. I'm enjoying it. This is new hair that I'm trying out to see if I'm going to start selling this or not. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, because I do. But anyway, next slide is going to show you pictures. Bye.